Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about what is Perl programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is Perl programming language? Perl is a high-level, dynamic, and general-purpose programming language that was originally developed by Larry Wall in the late 1980s as a scripting language for system administration tasks. It is known for its powerful text processing capabilities, and it's often used for web development, network programming, and data analysis. Perl has a strong community of developers in a large collection of modules, which makes it a popular choice for many tasks. Its syntax is flexible and expressive, which allows for easy manipulation of strings and data structures. Perl also supports object-oriented programming, functional programming, and procedural programming paradigms. Perl has been used to build a wide range of software from small scripts to large-scale web applications. Some well-known projects that were written in Perl include cPanel, Web Hosting Control Panel, the Bugzilla bug tracking system, and the movable type blogging platform. Perl has evolved over the years with new releases and updates. The latest stable release as of my knowledge cutoff of 2021 is Perl 5.34.0, which introduced several new features and improvements including support for Unicode 13.0, improved error messages, and enhanced performance. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation. What is Perl programming language? Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.